Welcome to Hotel Nippon. You've heard it right, I've said a hotel. So this is the first hotel we've stayed in on this trip so far. So we're in the capital city of Sri Lanka and I'll show you around. Look how much space there is, loads. Let's see how many times we can roll on these nice white sheets. 1, 2, 3, so good space. And then, I feel like we've gone really posh. Dental kit, shaving kit, and shower caps. And we've also got kettle with our tea, coffee, all that facilities, 3 bottles of water. How spacious this is. Chris can show you in. So you've got the toilet, basin, and I think I'm right in saying this is the first place we've been where we've had a separated bit between the shower and the toilet. So we won't get wet feet, which is good. And the creme de la creme have a look at all this space we've got. It's huge. Oh, and I got beaten up by the bush. So, once we get settled in, we'll show you Colombo.